This is Murph.
Hello, Ian. What's on the agenda today?
Alright, Murph, it's your big day. Say hello to everyone on the internet. Describe what you are and what the goal is. So, while Murph is formulating his response, I'll give you guys a quick rundown of what we got here. So, it's a voice loop system, and the way I start the loop is by pressing this key here, which then I can record my voice through the microphone. It's then transcribed locally on this Windows Surface Pro.
In the computer?
Sent off to an LLM. And then Murph is a local agent built into this system as well.
In the computer.
I'm able to have him read pretty much any of the files for my printer. He can make edits to them. He can save and restart. He can home the machine. He can pretty much do anything.
I'm Murphy, a local AI assistant built into Ian's Klipper 3D printer setup, and my goal is to be a smart, safety-first co-pilot that helps him tune, troubleshoot, and run his printer with confidence.
So yeah, like I was saying, he can pretty much do anything I can do from the mainsail terminal. I just wanted to give you guys a quick demo of that. I've got some footage of how I got to this point. If you stick around, you can kind of see all the trouble we had to go through to get here. So I broke Murph down into 4 basic jobs: hear me, understand me, respond, and control printer functions. What's the worst that could happen? First, Murph needed to hear me. To do that, I'm using Whisper. Whisper is the speech-to-text part of the system. It takes my voice recording and turns it into text that Murph can actually read. So, record my voice, send it to Whisper, and see what comes out. The Surface Pro had a built-in mic, so I tried that first.
Murphy, check printer status.
Then play it back.
Play the file we just recorded. I'm understanding.
Yes,
Right.
I know, right?
Murphy, check printer status.
It was terrible. Or, as Mike would say,
Very, very poopy like.
Whisper was technically working, but bad audio means bad transcription. For instance, if Mike were to say, I don't know,
Murphy, check printer status.
and then the machine transcribed it as...
Uh-oh, it's doing stuff.
Yes.
What's going on here? Will be as
the brutal... What did you say? Hey, Murphy.
Hey Murphy. Something. Not that.
So, I switched from the Surface mic to a USB mic, and the difference was immediate.
Hey Murphy, can you hear me?
Then play it back. So press up, TCA play. Right there, now add a 2. Hit enter.
Hey Murphy, can you hear me?
That sounds so much better.
Okay, Murphy. Voice in, text out. Phase 1 complete. Alright, Murph can now hear me and understand me. Next step, we need Murph to respond. Once Whisper turns my voice into text, that text gets passed into Murph. Murph reads it, figures out what I'm asking, and responds. But there was one obvious problem. He was answering in text. How it's sounding on your end? Are you getting audio back from me? No, you're not. So the voice response was pretty tricky. My first try was basic Linux text-to-speech. It definitely tried to speak.
What kind of machine are we running, Murphy?
It was kind of creepy. So I switched to something called Piper for text-to-speech.
Hyper voices.
Okay, so now with your Piper voice, you're going to try it.
Good evening, Murphy.
TTS: good evening. How's it going? Ready when you are.
Did it, dude. Did it. We fucking did it.
So the loop is officially working. I talk, Whisper transcribes it, Murph responds, and Piper reads the response out loud.
Systems are humming along and I'm ready to help. How are you doing tonight?
So, here's the important part.
Murph can talk to Klipper through Moonraker, but only through a safe wrapper. The wrapper is basically a list of approved commands. The wrapper decides what actually gets sent to the printer. So, for the first real hardware test,
See if it yells at me.
AI controlled 3D printer. Phase 1 success.
I think it's getting ready to, it didn't finish talking. It's gonna tell us some stuff.
Homing sequence sent. All 3 axes are on their way home.
Little late, but
Yeah, it's a little behind, baby, but
got it. Oh my god.